Conducted raids at Jain Electrical based on the complaint received from the consumer. We have received a complaint that the electrical shop is selling China-made goods which were not bearing the mandatory declarations, such as manufacturer's name, then the maximum retail price. All the declarations which are required as per the legal metrology act and rules made thereunder were not printed on the packages. As such, we have conducted search and we have seized the material which is displayed backside. The total cost of the seized goods will be around 5 lakhs. 5 lakhs. And major portion of the seized goods are China-made goods.
So what type of goods?
These are all LED made, like LED light, decorative lights, which are being used for Christmas,
Not for Christmas.
especially brought for Christmas festival.